Okay. I should say finally. Last video in my attic. There's an entrance to my attic here. What is that? Oh yeah. What is this? So I mentioned finally. Yeah, so two things finally. We're gonna get rid of this finally today. Vera is 10. Paula is 5.5.
I'm 10.5.
10.5. 5.5. So we're gonna get rid of that because actually I hit here and Vera hit as well many times.
I hit every day. I go up the stairs and it goes boom boom.
And we're gonna open new, during doing that, we're gonna open new light because our lights are very old and are with us for the last, this one doesn't work. This one looks like construction light. It's newer, it's good lights, but we have new Rotolight Neo 2. Yeah, and it's a bit silly compare no light with light or daylight with light, but we're gonna do it. Okay.
Put the light on.
Yeah.
Because I decided to turn it on.
So Vera will open the box and I will start to disassembly this thing. Okay.
No, I will open those. Yes. Oh, sorry. Aha! Oh, that was.
So what we have inside the box?
Another box.
Another box inside the box. Oh,
There's another box inside the box.
Okay. Yes.
I told you there's another box.
Box inside the box.
Inside another box.
Why it's a Sony camera on the box? Because Jason Lanier, the main guy for Rotolight, he used to be the main guy for Sony as well. I mean, one of the main guys for Sony as well. So what's inside the box? Inside the box we have a light. We have the mystery strap.
And the instructions we definitely do not need.
We don't need. We spin it. Rotolight strap. Whatever we need it. We don't need it. Some lead with the hole. It looks like mouse hole. The lead. The lead is very important. This. Do not eat this. Oh yeah, this is so cool.
This is a lot of packaging for.
So we have the light. We have the AC adapter. We
I have
have.
no clue what it is. What's an AC adapter? I don't know.
If you don't have batteries, yeah, that's the light. And we have filters as well. These are good filters. I will talk about that in a second. And we have the bag which goes here. This is important. Okay. So what we're gonna do, Vera. Oh yeah, and this is it. It's cool. I didn't know we had this. I prepared the other one, but you have here. Okay, so what Vera will do, Vera will open the battery compartment. Open?
Ah, there's a button, I think. Is it?
No. I'm sure it goes.
No, Daddy, I meant to work it out.
Okay, and let me disassemble this thing further. You okay?
I'll work it out, don't worry.
So if you're in need of baby gate, Stargate, we have 2 for sale now. Actually 3, we have 3.
Oh, Laloy. Oh, there's another instruction. For best results, use rotational power.
Of course, yeah, we
It's
have
required, not
analog
suitable.
batteries.
Not suitable. No. You have to have these power ones.
No, I don't. You have this.
It's wrong. It's wrong.
You have
it's
this.
wrong. No. It will break. No. Come in anyway. I'll leave the batteries in.
See where the spring is? You see? You look here. You look here. Here's this thing. Okay.
These are naughty batteries.
closely. Close it. Let me see.
Maybe this is the turn button now, yes. Oh my god. I don't like that.
Okay. This is minimum. This is minimum. 3, 7. 1 and this. Okay, and then this is minimum. This is maximum. Minimum. Okay, and then you have this thing here as well.
And there also came a free set of bubbles, which I'm very sure my sister will be happy about.
Okay, so what we're gonna do first, we're gonna attach it to this. Vera, we will do like this. I will attach there.
Yes, okay.
Okay? Anyhow, it's fine. Yeah, just slide. And swap.
There we go.
Show me 1 second. Okay, so let's do it this way, and then okay. Why I decide to use this? This is the okay. Let me adjust all of the things here. Why I decided to use this? This is the magmot handle, because this is not this way, the other way. Okay, because the other way it goes. It got this light stand.
I found a shield.
Yeah. And now we'll attach it here. So this, and we'll attach to the it will go to any light stand. Okay. Yeah, and now to use it, you just press here and you can move however you want this way. You don't really need to go around. You go with the whole stand. Yeah, that's very secure way to use it.
Oh, you can make it cold and make it warm.
You can make it colder and warmer. Exactly. My brilliant assistant, she knows that it's warmer and colder. And
now we are beautiful.
And what we can do as well.
Beautifully warm.
What we can do as well.
Now it is hot.
Let's do it this way. What we can do as well. We can use the filters, because there are different filters for
different colors.
No. There are filters for cosmetic peach, white diffusion, half diffusion, magenta minus.
Oh, I did magenta minus?
No, cosmetic peach. We're gonna do cosmetic peach because what we do, we are lighting up people. I show you why. Because usually we put this light on people, and this cosmetic peach apparently is the best for skin. So first we do this, and then you're gonna put magenta, whatever you want.
Go magenta, go magenta, go magenta. Oh, is it to use the shield for this?
This is to attach it.
Yes, I need a shield.
They are a bit fragile, so let's see. They have a numbers, so 184. This is cosmetic peach. 184. It's not really a lot, but makes a little bit of difference.
Maybe now
So,
we like press it up a lot.
okay, we do it this way. Oh. And now we light up, and this job is not done at all. Okay, and then
Okay, now let's do the other one.
including with that you have
279,
AC adapter, so you can. One second. Let's do like this. Yeah. Okay. Now you can see. Let me move it. I'm good. Oh yeah, you open.
Oh, no.
Give me this. Give me the filter. Yeah. Should be 4, I think you put 2 of them straight away.
That's 279.
No, okay. Should be. Oh yes, it's 3. It's 3. It's 3. I put on the side. I think I will leave it with this cosmetic peach for the time being. Oh yeah. So you have this AC adapter. AC adapter allows you to use it without.
Why is it not working?
Because first you put this. And then
Oh, it wouldn't stick. See, it's not sticking.
it's not sticking. It's not stickerly. It's only a little bit. We have another assistant came.
Paula, here's some bubbles for you.
Huh? And now this is. Huh? Co chcesz?
I look cool. Look
Okay.
at me.
Yeah. You see how much you can do with this? We have here very big light from the room, but this one is overpowering. So
Now we are done.
the camera, you see? Now we light up, yeah? So the camera, you can really do lots of different stuff with this light. But what we're gonna do in the next video, we're gonna compare this 18 pounds with the diffusion to this 200 pounds to one more which we have on the attic ring light.
Ring light.
So now you're gonna help me to disassemble this thing.
How do you disassemble this thing? Move this a bit so you can move the camera. Battery thing.
Because actually that was the job for today.
The job for the day. Ah. I look funny. Okay. Oh. Me? Is that behind it? Oh, the way. Yes. Hallelujah.
Już.
Ding, 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 dong. Now there's a big fat hole in the wall. As you can see, I will zoom in onto the hole. How do you zoom into the hole? How? Tell me how. There we go. There we go. You can see the hole in the wall. The hole in the wall. The hole in the wall. And I zoom out. Ah. Can I do the one on the bottom? Yes. Ah. Sylvania. Ready? Ha. Sylvania. Ready? This job is very hard. We need the special pincers. Oh, like this. Okay, no, we don't use special pincers. We need the light that does not work. Okay. And we need some protection. Yes, we need some protection to make sure nobody gets hurt. Some protection here and some protection there. And now we need the pincers. There we go. To hold. That's not working. Okay. To hold the screw when it runs away. Yes, we can do it. And now you need to pinch the screw. There we go. And now unpinch the screw. And for the last step, you need to unscrew it and take it out. Ta-da! And now you need to remove all your protection and your equipment and throw the protection away. Throw! Fly away protection. So the tool we used for this was nothing.
So that's a new light, and that's a new corridor here.
Ah, it's a corridor.